guys, it is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. Hey girl. Hey. The wig cap is on. So let's get into this video because y'all already know what time it is. We have something beautiful. Something a little bouncy. Something nice. Something glueless. With highlights. And a little bit of a wave. And you know she comes from my girl. This is a Luvme Hair's Ash Blonde Highlight Glueless Wig. This is a minimalist wig. It does come pre-cut. It does come pre-curled. Everything is already done for us, so we don't have to do it. Alright, we're just gonna put her on, style her, and that's it. We're gonna do this quick, fast, and in a hurry. This is how she's gonna be when you get ready to get her and put her on for yourself. So what we're gonna do now is take our wig, flip her inside out, because that is the easiest way I have come to realize to put on our wigs. Flip it inside out. Make sure our band is at comfortable adjustments. Put it on like this. Before you set those combs in your hair, make sure everything feels nice, comfortable, and snug. Because we don't want nothing loose. We don't want nothing coming off. We just want our wig to feel good and look good. But get into that. There is no lace showing whatsoever. And look at these curls. They are really, really, really cute. But I feel like my wig is a little flat. So I am going to show you guys how to adjust your wig to make it look similar, but not just like the pictures, because it's in a box. So it's not going to come out looking exactly like the pictures. So with it being pre-curled, we don't have to do a lot of work. With our part already being there, we don't have to do a lot of work. She is already pre-styled for us. So we just got to go in, touch her up, give her a little TLC. Make her look good for us. Now we're going to take our wide tooth comb. I typically say pull the curls back, but for this one, we are not pulling any curls backwards. We are going to pull them downward so we can get that loose wave kind of look. If you want to, you can do it with your fingers, as you see here. But we're just going to pull those down to get that wave, get more body, get more volume all through there. So I'm just going to use my fingers for this one, even to my back. Now if you want to, you can pull it to the back. I'll show you what'll happen if you pull it to the back. This is what happens when you pull it to the back and pull it back forward. Same on this side. You pull it to the back, pull it back forward. You can separate these curls if you want it to look more pronounced. Go up under that bottom and make sure you hit that bottom part. If you want a little bit more body, go to the higher parts and pull them out. So I am going to try something on camera because I want my bang to come a little bit more towards my face. I am going to kind of like flat iron, hot comb, and bring that forward just like that. Let that sit there for a little bit. And then bring it to my face. But get into this. This is really cute. If you want to lay some of that down, just take a hot comb real quick and smooth some of that out to have this gorgeous, gorgeous look. Just like that. Y'all see that? Look at the back. The back is so bright. It's beautiful. I like the ash blonde color. This color is amazing. Look at these highlights and how they're making everything just stand out a little bit more. This wig being a minimalistic wig, I think it is perfect for the working girls, the ones who have to get up and get kids ready and run out to work. This is a very good wig for the mothers, aunties, whatever, that have to do that. I will say there are a few things that I gotta tell you about this wig. The knots to this wig cannot be bleached due to the coloring of the wig. So if you are somebody that really cares about knots, I would say this wig may not be for you, but they are really small. So unless somebody is all up in your head, you don't have to worry about it. If it's not a big deal for you, this wig is perfect. The parting to this wig, you cannot switch the parting to this wig, and that is okay, because when we want to do the bare minimum, that's what we're going to get. The bare minimum. You don't have to do nothing. So, all in all, I will say I like the bounciness of it. This wig is extremely soft. There is no roughness, even with it being bleached and colored the way that it is. It is really soft. For those of you who do get this wig does have a kind of more slick, not slick, it's a different texture than what you would get when you get darker color hair. That is only due to it being bleached and colored. Okay, so don't freak out thinking you got a plastic wig. I just used my hot comb on this front part of it, and my hot comb was on 450 heat, and it did not burn. It did not melt. It did not do any of that, which lets me know that this is human hair wig. So those are the only things that I really have to be complaining about. Also, one more thing. Sorry. You cannot pluck this wig because it is nothing to pluck. So if you are worried about that as well, consider that you cannot customize this lace. It is already customized for you. Everything that you see me in or doing or have done to this wig is all that you really can do besides shampooing it and flat ironing it out. That's it. And that is possible with this wig. All in all, I like this wig. I love the color. I love the curl. I don't have too many complaints about it. If I need something that I just want to throw on and go to look really nice to go to an event or something, this definitely would be a look. Now, I will say, I feel like this would be a look with red. I think red in this right here, this color right here, would definitely be a look. I should have wore something red. I don't have a lot of red in here, but I should have wore something red to get this a little bit more popping. But that's okay. It's all right. That is all from me. Thank you guys for watching. All the information to this wig will be in my description box. So make sure you click that and make sure you use that coupon code that is in there. Now, I know for a fact that the coupon code to this wig will be my name, Tanisha. So make sure you type that when you get ready to order this wig to get about 28% off. Somewhere in there, you take some money off. That's all that matters. Is you don't have to pay full price. You get a good discount. And it's a bigger discount than what is on the website. So if you're looking for a deal, you're looking for something that is great to wear, this is definitely it. That's all for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.